So here we are now. This is our final coat of Venetian plaster to give our polished stone finish. Our base coat was Rosato, done in a random manner. The tight coat of Venetian plaster as our second coat, gives us our colour in the background. Now I started at the top of the wall. I've worked my way down in arches and random movements, which I'm going to show you now. And I polished the first half of the wall. This here is our live edge. We've got to keep our live edge moving. On this wall, because it's a narrow wall, where our live edge is horizontal, on a long, long corridor, your live edge will be vertical. Put it on, take it off. Nice and tight, overlapping yourself in different shapes. Not only arches, you might decide to go up, you might decide to come down, go back across. The trick is to keep going in a random manner. You might decide to do long swoops, verticals, but to give it a natural look, just keep changing direction. Take a small amount of Venetian plaster on your trowel, this is an application trowel, and put it onto a spot, get behind it and spread it. Put it on, get behind it and spread it. Put it on, get behind it and spread it, and so on. Okay, a little bit more in from the edge. So remember to build a flat lip at your edge, put it on heavy, and then trim off the excess. It's a good way for getting around the corner. We'll do it on this side of the wall and also on the other if we are going around the corner. We will tape off this side on the final coat and do our final coat on the next wall, and this will give us a sharp edge. And keep changing direction. The reason being, when you go around the full room, if you keep doing an arch where going one way, when the completed room is finished, it becomes a bit of an eye catcher, everything going the same direction. You want random, as we have an arch 1, arch 2. Now because this one is going to my left, we'll arch this one to my right, back to my left, to my right, back this way, forward and back. And there we have our final coat of Venetian plaster. You'll notice that the Rosato is the textured finish we use for our base coat. It's given us these lines, these natural stone type lines in the finish. The Venetian plaster has given us our shine, hence the polished stone. And finally, as in the same as Venetian plaster, we have our polishing trowel, sometimes known as a burnishing trowel, a clean cloth. Keep our trowel clean and put it toward yourself. You want to keep your trowel at an angle, not flat to the surface, at an angle, and come across. Now we might decide to go up. Keep your trowel clean, shine, clean, and we'll change a couple of different directions because we want the Rosato base coat, the lines that come out of it, to go all different directions. So change the direction of your troweling, your polishing. Now you can see the natural stone look starting to take shape. We're going to let that sit for another 5 to 10 minutes and we'll give it a second shine with our polishing trowel. So now we waited our 10 minutes, we gave our first polishing with our polishing trowel. The product is starting to dry now, you can feel the glass shine to it and the smoothness of it. We're going to give it our second and probably our final polishing. Use your steel trowel at an angle, nice and gentle. It's the stainless steel of these trowels and the marble dust that's in the Venetian plaster mixed with the lime that gives you the shine. It's not effort, it's not how much pressure you put on your trowel, how many times you shine it. If you keep on shining and shining with this trowel, you can cause little parts to lift and peel because you're compressing the layers together. The base coat, the middle coat and the top coat are pressed together. The marble dust comes to the surface, you get your shine. If you continually shine and shine, you're just going to make the product damage your surface. So give it a 2, 3 of it at the very most 3 times. I find 2 is sufficient. Nice and gentle. And then we go back to the opposite way, lifting our trowel at a slight angle. Remember to keep your trowel clean, because if you get some dirt on your trowel, you can get a scratch in your surface right now when you're just about finished, and it's the worst. Okay. Nice and gentle, not too much pressure. Angle your trowel. Now, polished stone has a slightly different finish. It looks different to Venetian plaster. It's meant to be a polished stone. Venetian plaster is a marble finish. Your polished stone is going to give you about an 80% to 85% shine to your surface. There are going to be little dry patches because it's a polished stone. It's not meant to be a marble. You then can use your sealer coat, your waterproof sealer, and you can also use your impregnation paste. And finally, if you want to add some shine, you can use a beeswax.